G'day everyone, it's Engelo Rumora here. I'm your favorite Australian and the real estate dingo, bringing you another testimonial with another awesome investor. Now today I've got Mike Villavacqua, who is currently living in Nicaragua. The guy packed up and left like 3 weeks ago. He's living the dream. I have to do all the freaking work for him now and get him so much passive income. Like, seriously, is that what you guys think? That I'm just gonna stay here in Toledo forever while you guys go to these tropical destinations like Nicaragua and you just live up the dream? That is bullshit, everyone watching. Absolute bullshit. Mikey, how are you, mate?
I'm doing amazing, brother.
Oh, really? How's the weather?
I got ants crawling on me though.
Oh, come on, mate. You need to fry them. Put a little bit of sugar on the pan and they're good to eat. Those big red ones. How are you, mate? Everything's good?
Yeah, I couldn't complain, man. Beautiful day.
Awesome.
It's all good.
Awesome, mate. You ready for this?
Everything's going well in Ohio.
Yeah, always is, mate. Always is. Right? As long as I'm here. And the team, oh, sorry. I can't take all the credit. I've got to take the team, man. As long as the team is here, I've slowly replaced myself. As you know, I'm out, mate. I'm done. I'm coming to visit Mike in Nicaragua, baby. Woo! Hey, mate, you ready for some questions? You ready for some questions?
Yeah, we'll shoot.
Awesome. Okay, so first question is this. What made you invest in turnkey real estate?
Well, I mean, we needed it. We knew this was our plan to come to Nicaragua, or we were looking, possibly Mexico, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, Panama. We settled on Nicaragua, but we needed a vehicle to get us here. We needed that monthly income.
Yeah.
We looked at everything else, and we felt that this was the best avenue for us to get us where we needed to go. We weren't necessarily looking for any kind of appreciation in real estate. We've done that, with our properties in California and the flips that we've done.
Yeah.
That's where we're able to invest with you. But it was just a no-brainer, so that we could go into our portal and look every month and see our cash flowing in, so that we continue to live the dream.
Awesome, mate. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. What made you take the plunge? So why did you actually do it? What made you take the plunge?
Well, we didn't have a choice. We had a timeline. We knew we bought one-way tickets to Nicaragua, and we had been doing our due diligence and researching turnkey companies. When we found you and.
Wait a minute. Researching turnkey companies. Seriously, we were actually competing with someone else?
Well, actually, there was no company.
Thank you. That's the answer I wanted. I actually interviewed Andrew Rose in the previous testimonial, and he was like, we were considering a few other companies. I was like, what? You were considering a few other companies? Like Ohio Cashflow and Ferrari are like right here. And then all of the other turnkey companies, it's like, a freaking Daihatsu Charade or a Fiat Punto or one of those, crappy little Yugo cars right at the bottom there. Anyway.
I know, I checked those out.
Yeah, right, they're not good. The doors don't close properly.
They're not close.
Love it, dude. Awesome. Hey.
So that's why we pulled the trigger, because we had a timeline.
Awesome.
We'd done the research, we had a timeline, we were ready to go.
There you go. Love it, dude. Love it. Hey, what was your biggest concern before investing, and is it still a concern?
And I really didn't have a concern, to be honest with you, because one of the nice things that we did when we set ourselves up, we made sure we had an emergency fund in place. So we didn't just go all in all at once, and we figured we'd start simply with one, which we did. Came out and visited you guys.
Yeah.
And I think before we left, we picked up a couple more, and then another one. Or I don't know how it all transpired, but I don't really have any concerns, Angelo. I really don't.
Awesome, mate.
I'm pretty happy with the way things are, and I did my due diligence. I checked you out. You can't find anything on this cat. This guy, there's nothing.
On this cat? No, mate, I'm a dingo. He's got that confused. A cat. I'm not a cat. Dominique's a cat. I'm a dingo, mate. Guys, he came to visit me for like 2 days. I had to wine him, I had to dye him, I had to drive him around, all kinds of shit. So he better return the favor. What I want to see is a ton of comments below. I want to see you guys saying, Mikey V, return the favor. Mikey V, return the favor. If I can get 20 comments, I'll fly to Nicaragua. Look at some real estate there.
Hey, there's plenty here.
I know, mate. I check it all out, mate. I check it all out. Okay, hey.
You don't miss anything.
So, what made you choose a higher cash flow besides my good looks? Seriously?
No, the package, man. It's the package. It's everything. It's, it's everything. It's not just the good looks. It's all of it.
It's all of it. So
it's everything. I'm telling you, man. I tell everybody about Ohio Cashflow.
love
And
it.
they go, well, because everybody asks me, well, Mikey, what are you doing?
Yeah.
I said, you need to go check out my buddy the Dingo. I don't know. That I can say.
Yeah.
Go check him out.
Hey, so you've got 4 properties with us, right?
I do.
4 properties. I mean, this guy's taking the bull by the horns and jumping on his neck. Love it, mate. I love to see that stuff. I love to see investors really, I'm not a big believer in gentrification, in diversification, right? I don't believe that you need to diversify. I think that diversification is kind of like a cure for ignorance. If you know what you're doing, if you trust the people that you're doing business with, like I do, then put all of your eggs in one basket. Just make sure that either you or the people holding that basket are holding on to it really tight. Then you don't have to worry about that basket falling and your eggs breaking, right? That's something that I've practiced in a lot of my business endeavors. Like, dude, I'm in Toledo, Ohio. I'm all in. Like, I am Toledo, Ohio. I know that might sound a little bit pompous, but I'm not looking at doing any other markets. Well, we are kind of looking at potentially expanding into Cincinnati and Dayton, just because we've got a lot of investors like yourself that do have quite a lot of properties in their portfolio. And we don't necessarily want to expand into another market from a diversification standpoint. It would be more from a, hey, look, we got something new, we got something exciting, we'd like you to be a part of it. So it's more from, kind of like a marketing strategy, and just from the fact that, it kind of gets a little bit boring, Mike, once you get to your 20th property and I say, hey, Mike, I got another house for you in Toledo, Ohio. You know what I mean? So we're kind of already thinking ahead. But I love it, mate. Well done. A few more questions. How would you describe the purchase and investment process with Ohio Cashflow?
Oh, that's a great question. Especially on the first one, because here we are. We don't know anything. We know traditional real estate and whatnot, but as far as purchasing something with cash, what was probably one of the coolest moments was the question was asked to us: when would you like to close escrow?
Yep.
And we looked at each other and we said, what do you want to close escrow on? I don't know. What do you want to close escrow?
Yeah.
I don't know. Can we do it like the end of the week?
Yeah.
And she goes, you want to do it tomorrow? We can do it tomorrow. And
Yeah.
I just thought that was super cool, coming from a cash buyer standpoint, how quickly things happen. Now, there was a lot of, because it's all done via email,
Sure.
You're not there, and you're dealing with a title company, and we're trying to work on insurance, and
Yeah.
you got this, and we're meeting the management team and everything
Yeah.
else. So it's a little bit weird, but it's happening. It's like
Mate, it's a paper shuffle process. I always say that's the hardest part is, getting onboarded, because there's a lot of contracts flying, a lot of emails flying, all kinds of shit, and I hate it. And I know investors hate it, but look, there's no other way around it. You know what I mean? Unfortunately, we have to do that because we want to protect you guys from that contract standpoint with the property management agreement and whatnot. But good, mate. Good stuff.
I'm not stating it as a negative. I'm
Yeah.
just saying it was a thing.
No. I'm stating it's a negative. It's a pain in the ass, mate. You think I want you to sign a contract? I just want you to wire the bloody money in my account, but it doesn't work like that, unfortunately.
Sure.
Right.
No, I get that. And the DocuSign thing worked really smooth and all that, And then the second time, it was just, we knew what to expect the second time.
Awesome.
So it really wasn't, the pain in the ass thing was kind of out the window. And I didn't need to, send a bunch of emails asking a bunch of stupid questions.
Awesome.
I needed the answer to them. So the thing is, the first time you go.
Dude, is that a rooster? Is that a rooster in the background there?
They're everywhere.
You're shitting me, mate.
I had one on my shoulder here a minute ago.
Can you turn the camera around? Like, I want to see what you're looking at. Where's the rooster? Show me the rooster.
Well, I can't see him right now.
Oh, look at that, dude. You got a little picnic area there? Oh, mate. Look, I need you. I need that. Oh, wow, dude. You need to reserve a Johnny Black for the Dingo, okay, when he comes into town.
Hey, we got it for you, man.
2 ice cubes. I need a round little glass too, okay? Hey, moving on. They're pushing me. They're telling me I gotta hurry up. Why do I gotta hurry up? It's not like, we can stay here for a long time. Okay, hey, so has everything been running smoothly since the purchase?
I would say yeah. There's always been, there's going to be little things. What I really like, though, is when there's a little bit of an issue.
Yep.
The communication is amazing. We got a little bit of a thing going with the insurance. Now, on our end, she's been working with Isaac, and it was like she emailed, and I think it was yesterday morning, and like 15 minutes later, man, I had a response. It's just been awesome, man. I don't know how else to say it.
15 minutes later, Ohio Cashflow replies. That's the way we roll, baby. That's the way we roll. Ferrari of real estate. Hey!
No Yugos, man. No Yugos.
No Yugos. Forget about that shit. Okay. Do you plan to purchase more investment properties, and are you comfortable to purchase again with Ohio Cashflow?
Well, of course. Yes and yes. You know, we've got a property we're trying to liquidate in California. As soon as we do, we're looking to build our portfolio.
Awesome, mate. Love it.
And it will be with Ohio Cashflow.
Bloody oath. Bloody oath. Hey, okay, so a few more final questions. Like short, sharp, and sweet, quick responses. I'm going to be super quick here. You ready?
Yep.
Do we correspond in a timely manner?
Of course.
Do you feel worried about us lying, cheating, or stealing?
Negative.
Would you recommend us to fellow investors?
I do every day.
Final word. That's it. The finale. The grande finale. Overall, how's your experience been? Any final words?
Man, I'm just thinking, if anybody's looking for a positive cash flow business to get into, and they've got some cash sitting around looking for a place to put it to get a realistic, return on their investment, they need to talk to you, man. They need to make that phone call.
I love it, dude. Hey, last question.
Yeah.
Most important one out of all of them.
Yeah.
You ready for it?
I'm ready. I'm standing up.
Good. Who is your favorite Australian?
Engelo Rumora.
Thank you. And he actually got my name right. He got my name right. Love it,
You
dude.
didn't get mine right. That's okay.
Yes, I did. Go, bro. No, say it.
Viva l'Aqua.
I said Viva l'Aqua.
You did that time.
No, I said we'll replay that shit and I'll send you a clip of it. Mike Viva l'Aqua. Mike Viva l'Aqua. Dude, my ancestors are Italian. I can't get that shit wrong. Mike Viva l'Aqua. I'll say it again. Mike Viva l'Aqua. Hey, where's Sue? Sue, hello.
She's hiding.
Say hello. Just wave. Come on. Come out of the woodworks there. Wave at me.
She's leaving.
I can't see you.
She just got back from the gym. She's all sweaty.
Oh, even better. Just please. I bet the audience will want to see that. Love it, guys. Hey, Mike. Thank you so much, mate. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Anytime, buddy.
Thanks.
All right, thanks, man.
Awesome. Hey guys, that was pretty much it. Another happy investor. Hey, any questions, give us a call, send us an email. Make sure to check out our website, www.ohiocashflow.com. Description in this video will reveal a ton of links. Our investor application form. Please fill it out. Any questions for Mike Viva l'Aqua, you can reach out to us. We'd be happy to introduce you to him. And that's pretty much it. Hey, once again, I'm Engelo Rumora. I'm your favorite Australian and the real estate dingo. You guys have a great day.